Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to make your iPhone charge faster. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone 1, 2, 3 all the way to X or whatever they call them nowadays. So we can now bring the iPhone into the frame, and to make your iPhone charge faster, we need a couple of tricks and techniques that will allow you to maximize out the battery life and use your iPhone for maybe the whole day, a day and a half, really depending on your iPhone activity. If you're playing games every day, your iPhone battery may only last 1 or 2 hours. However, if you light web browsing, checking your emails, responding to a text message, then your iPhone may last you up to 2 days, depending on how you are using it. So if we swipe up for the moment, the first thing needed to be done is turn off the Wi-Fi. Insert the lightning cable into the lightning port. Then we can click on airplane mode. We can also click on do not disturb. Make sure your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data is all turned off. Low power mode. And so if your iPhone was on 0 battery life, wait an hour or maybe 45 minutes after putting it on airplane mode, do not disturb, low power mode. Within 45 minutes, you should have the iPhone to 100%. By the time it gets to 80%, it tells you that we are now going from orange to green in terms of battery life and health. So we can wait, and then we would come back to see the battery life and percentage, what it's really on. So that's how you charge your iPhone faster. Really depends on your iPhone activity, what you're doing on a regular basis, on a daily basis. Are you playing games, video editing, exporting on an iPhone? If not, your battery life will be longer. However, if you want to fast charge, turn off the Wi-Fi, turn off Bluetooth, go to airplane mode, do not disturb, low power mode on. We will go from 0 to 100 very quickly. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.